to the max with it. Racks.
I count 6 shots.
Bustin' at the bando. A nigga jury real metal like a can.
Good evening, everybody. It's Option is Prime with the Profits Mastermind Group. In today's discussion, we will be talking about the basic fundamentals in the stock market. But first, I want to pass the microphone to Chart Doc to tell you where to find us, the Profits. Chart Doctor?
What is up, guys? It's Chart Doctor. We are the Profits Mastermind Group, and we have a free Discord server where we have a community of all levels of traders and investors, from veterans to intermediate and beginners. Discuss strategies, ask questions, post opinions about the stock and cryptocurrency markets. If you want to take your trading and investing skills to the next level, I highly recommend you check that out. The Discord link will be in the description below. Free. So, would you like to introduce the topic today? Option is Prime.
Yeah, hey guys, Option is Prime back. The topic of today's discussion is what is the stock market and how you can use the stock market to your advantage. And for that, I'm going to pass it on to Mr. Cheeze. Mr. Cheeze, can you tell us about the stock market today, please?
So let's go into the basic things. First, we're going to go in about what a stock is. So a stock is basically a tiny piece of a company, which means that you can buy that tiny company's tiny piece for a share for a certain amount of price, and you believe that that stock that you buy will go up in shares, getting you a profit. Since I just defined the basic meaning of a stock, Chart Doctor, could you please define us what a stock portfolio is?
The basic definition of a stock portfolio refers to the compilation of individual stocks that one owns. A stock investing portfolio can be thought of as a whole pizza or a pie chart that is divided into pieces of various sizes. Each piece constitutes a diversification of asset classes or types of investments to accomplish a proper risk to reward ratio. Keep in mind, not everyone stock portfolio looks the same. For example, most people may plan 2 to 5 companies to invest in their stock portfolio, while others may have a wide diversified stock portfolio of up to 6 to 15 companies. Now that you understand the definition of a stock portfolio and what the true purpose of it is, you can decide how you want to strategize and set up your stock portfolio to manage your risk and rewards percentage. An example of a well-diversified portfolio would include, but not be limited to, a company from the electronic technology industry, such as Microsoft or Apple, a company from the financial industry, banking industry, such as American Express and Bank of America, a company in the food industry, such as Coca-Cola or General Mills, and a company in the automobile and airline industry, such as Tesla or General Motors, and Southwest Airlines and Delta Airlines. A total of 4 different industries in this portfolio example, all divided so it can balance your risk and rewards. So, Mr. Cheeze, what are the trading hours for the market?
The trading hours, and we're going to go only into the New York Stock Exchange, which is based in New York City and is one of the largest stock exchanges in the world. So their trading hours open from Monday through Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. local time. Unless, of course, they are closed early due to holidays such as today, which was Labor Day, Thanksgiving, Christmas. I would also like to include that since it is Eastern time, that means if you are in the Western Pacific time zone, you'd have to keep in mind that the stock market opens 3 hours ahead of you. The Nasdaq is also an American stock exchange service as a global electronic marketplace for securities tradings. The pre-market trading hours go from 4 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. local time, and their after hours go from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. local time as well. Since we went over the trading hours, I'll be passing it on over to Option is Prime. What is a ticker symbol and a stock ticker.
Optionist Prime here again. Thank you, Mr. Cheese. What is a stock ticker symbol? A ticker symbol is an arrangement of characters, usually letters, representing particular securities listed on an exchange or otherwise traded publicly. When a company issues securities to the public marketplace, it selects an available ticker symbol for its securities that investors and traders use to transact orders. Every listed security has a unique ticker symbol, facilitating the vast array of trade orders that flow through the financial markets each day. For example, Microsoft would be MSFT, Ulta would be ULTA, General Dynamics would be GD, Amazon AMZN. What is a stock ticker? As anyone who has ever watched a financial network or checked out a market website knows, security prices, particularly those of stocks, are frequently on the move. A stock ticker is a report of the price of certain securities updated continuously throughout the trading session by various stock market exchanges. A tick is any exchange of the price of the security, whether that movement is up or down. A stock ticker automatically displays these ticks, along with other relevant information like trading volume that investors and traders use to stay informed that current market conditions and the interest in that particular security. A stock ticker is the reported price of the underlying security, updated continuously throughout the day during the time stock market exchanges are open. There are also after-hours quotes that are reported. Chart Doctor, do you have anything else to add?
Now that you explain what a stock ticker is, I'd like to add what are commissions. So the basic definition of a commission is a service fee paid to an agent brokerage as compensation for completing a transaction for the investor, such as buying and selling company shares. For example, according to TD Ameritrade, they charge about $7 for each internet stock transaction. For interactive voice response, phone system assistance, stock transactions, they cost about $34.99. For actual brokerage assistance, it costs about $45 per stock transaction, which can get pretty pricey in my opinion. So, Mr. Cheese, what are the trading strategies that people can implement as new traders or investors?
Good question, Chart Doctor. So there are many different investing strategies. However, I'll be going over two main ones. And the first one will be growth investing. This strategy focuses on building capital through buying equities that have the potential to increase in value. This is the most common found stocks where investors estimate the value of a company and thus purchase the shares at a certain price where they believe will go up. So there are two different strategies of growth investing. The first one will be short-term investing. This is where you buy stocks and hold them for less than a year. It's mainly used when investors believe that a company's value will likely shoot up quickly and fall just as quickly. A good example will be GoPro and Fitbit. They all spiked up very quickly, while investing having just as quick of a downfall. Now the second one I'll be talking about will be long-term investing. It's essentially the same thing as short-term investing, except they are held for more than a year. Investors buy these when they go for the long haul and believe that a company's value will increase slowly and steadily over the years. Example will be Amazon, Facebook, and Apple. They are giant corporations that have a solid foundation that consumers will consistently buy, and they also provide services to the customers for the longevity. Now, the second main investing strategy that I'll be going over will be value investing. This strategy is championed by Warren Buffett, the investing legend, and it focuses on seeking out stocks that you believe are intrinsically undervalued. By finding companies that does not properly value them, investors have the potential to post big gains when the market eventually corrects itself and the company becomes valued properly. These are the underdogs who are doing their due diligence and putting in the work while remaining silent. Since we went over the basic terms of the stock market, trading, and investing strategies, Chart Doctor, would you like to do the honor of doing the outro?
So thanks for tuning in, guys, this week on The Profits about the basic fundamentals on the stock market discussion. Subscribe, comment down below, and whether you agree or disagree with what we had to say in this discussion. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good rest of your day, and let's get this cheese.
Let's get this cheese.
Let's get
Bless
this
up.
cheese.
Bless up. Bless up.